Hello guys and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create an online vendor market website by using our e-commerce theme shop Mania and WCFM multi-vendor plugin. Let's get started. For creating a multi-vendor website we need to install the theme that supports multi-vendor functionality. First click on Appearance, then Themes. Then click on Add New. Then search Shop Mania theme in the search bar. Then install the theme. And activate the theme. Now we need to install the multi-vendor marketplace WCFM. Click on the plugin in the dashboard, then add new. Then search WCFM plugin in the search bar. Then install all these three plugins and activate these plugins: WooCommerce Multi-Vendor Marketplace, WooCommerce Frontend Manager. After the activation of the plugins, now we have to set up WCFM plugin. Click on Let's Go. Then you can see the dashboard setup. Here you can make changes as per your store needs. You can on or off these options and then click on Continue. Then Marketplace setup will open. Complete the marketplace setup according to your need. You can on or off visual sold by template. You can change it to advanced or simple or as tab. You can change store name, position at header or on banner. You can change store related products. You can put the Google Map API key, then click on Continue. Then the commission setup will open. Commission for. You can select the commission person from here. You can select the commission mode, percentage or fixed or both percentage plus fixed. Then select the percentage of the commission. From here you can choose that who will pay the cost of the shipping. Tax goes to vendor. Commission after consider vendor coupon. Commission after consider admin coupon. You can change the commission text setting from here. Then click on Continue. Then withdrawal setup will open. You can change the withdrawal mode from here: manual or periodic or by order status. You can change the withdrawal setting according to your need. Then click on Continue. Then dashboard style will open. This is the dashboard setting where you can change the dashboard according to your need. Then click on Continue. Then the capability setup page will open. From here you can change the backend access. You can change these options also. Then click on Continue. Now we have completed all the settings of the WCFM plugin. Let's go to the dashboard. Now we need to install a multi-vendor theme template from Shop Mania theme. Now click on the Appearance, then click on Shop Mania options. Now click on Demo Import, then click on Starter Site Plugin, then click on Import Demo. From here you can import any template to create your website. We need a multi-vendor template for our marketplace site. Today in this video I will show you multi-vendor Mania template, Shop Mania WordPress theme. Multi-vendor template is a premium template. We have to buy this template. Click on buy now. Then this page will open where you can see the live demo of this template. This is the pricing of this template. You can buy according to your need. Fill the details and make the payment. After buying this template, you will get confirmation mail and member access to your mail. Now go to the member area and log in to your account. Here you can see all your purchases. Now search here Shop Mania and download the zip file. Now you need to install the Pro plugin that you have purchased and downloaded from your member area. Go to the dashboard, then click on the plugins, then add new. Then click on the upload plugin and choose the Shop Mania Pro zip file to upload. And select install now. And activate the plugin. And then go to the Shop Mania options in the dashboard, then select demo import and click on import demo button. Then select the multi-vendor Mania template. Now activate all the plugins. And click on import this button. Then click on OK. Then click on done view site button. Now you have successfully set up and installed WCFM plugin. Now I will show you the vendor's registration process where the vendor will open their online store on your website. Just follow the instruction for filling the registration form. Click on the vendor registration. Then fill all the information required for the registration. Your email address, then the name of the store, then create a password, and confirm the password. After filling out the form, click on the register. After registration, vendor has to set up the store. First click on Let's Go. Fill all the required fields for creating the store. You can change the logo of the store from here. You can change the banner from here. You can change the store name. You can add your contact number, address, country, state, put the shop's description, payment setup. You can select the payment method, policy setup. You can put the shipping policy here. You can put here the refund policy. You can put here the cancellation, refund and exchange policy, support setup. Fill the details for the customer support. Store SEO setup. Put the SEO title here, then the meta description here, meta keywords. Enter here keywords related to your store and products. Store social setup. Enter your social media pages links here and continue. Now the vendor is successfully registered to your website. After the store setup, click on the let's go to the dashboard. This is how the vendor's dashboard looks like. From the dashboard, vendors can make changes to their store. This is how the vendor's store will show on your website. Product section, about policy, reviews, social media icon, inquiry, store manager. I will show you how to add the product to the store. First, go to the vendor's dashboard. Then click on products. Then select add new. Then add product image, product details and other things. Select product type, catalog, price, sale price and short description of the product. Here you can write a brief description of the product. Select the image of the product. Select the category of the product and add tags related to the product. Inventory, SKU, manage stock, stock quantity, sold individuality, shipping, weight of the product, dimension, shipping, class, processing time, attributes, linked, product policies. After changes, click on submit. You can see the changes from here. This is how the product will display. For queries, the customer will contact from here. Customer will see additional information, reviews, more offers, policy, inquiries, description and all from here. This is how the product will show in the vendor's shop. Now you have successfully created a multi-vendor marketplace website using WCFM plugin and Shop Mania theme. This is how the multi-vendor website looks like. Quick view option, add to cart, thank you for watching.